Okay, back on the head.
Alexa, next
There's
song.
our new adopted bird, Jake. Some peanuts.
Not. Yeah? Talks to you when you tell him off. How about that one? Get out that hole. Oh, that's me finger. That's me finger, Neil. That's a bit of a snatch. It's alright. I'll bring all these up.
Jacob Larry Bird.
Come near you.
Oh, that's a nice sound.
Maybe he's frozen in shock. Okay.
I'm so privileged to be able to touch you. Go the wrong way around. Oh.
Real mature, Jake. Having fun with that, aren't you? There goes Jake with the toilet roll. You gonna hide it somewhere? Stop doing that.
That is my
That's really
shoe.
kind of annoying. It's sticking with it anyway, isn't he? So I am gonna peck that cork sole.
Get off.
You're not getting the message, Jake. You're an idiot.
Yeah, I'm not going to give up my exercise thing, so I'll just do this every morning.
just give me a peck at that cork sole.
You have to fly every time.
You're a fool, Jake. No, that's just it. Don't stop.
I have to go faster then. Come on, get tough. Okay.